We had a gap up opening which lasted barely for a few minutes, and the markets then got into sell mode. Remember, global cues were also negative, so Asian markets have closed negative. Europe has opened up weaker as well. So profit taking seems to really be the name of the game for world equity markets. Let's quickly pull up the Nifty and see what they're getting up to first. So the Nifty has respected the 21,500 mark. We dipped below that very briefly, but buying immediately emerged, and the Nifty is going home with marginal, with a cut of about 1%, 200 points off on the Nifty, but looks like 21,500 will not be taken out in today's day of trade. The Sensex going home with a similar cut, 682 points, pretty much at the day's low point on the Nifty and the Sensex. Bank Nifty led the way down, 47,500 got taken out, 47,458 is what we have, 700-point cut coming in on Bank Nifty. And also what's obvious is on Friday it was extremely volatile, didn't see a big cut coming in. The markets respected significant levels on Bank Nifty, but today important levels did get taken out. Broader markets surprisingly have underperformed the benchmark. Now this has not been the trend for the last few days. Today is the very first day when the mid cap and the small cap index have actually underperformed the benchmark quite sharply. Small cap maybe not so much. The mid cap index so seeing a cut of 1.5%. That is where mid cap is closing 1% lower, 46,920 is what we have. Well, the VIX index jumped quite substantially, so the VIX index was up 7% in today's day of trade, indicating that the markets are turning quite volatile. The breadth deteriorated from the start of trade this morning. Very few gainers in today's session, and they were sporadic, so no trends or sectors that we are seeing that went home with gains. One sector that saw a marginal uptick today is real estate. Barring that, profit taking was obvious for FMCG, IT, metals and pharma. Adani Port, your top gainer, 1.5% higher. ONGC did okay. Sun Pharma, Hero Motorcorp, HCL Tech, BPACL on back of an upgrade went home with gains. On the sell side, UPL is a top loser, 3.5% cut with a big sort of volume trade. SBI Life, SBI, Adani Enterprise, Axis Bank, Infosys ahead of earnings maybe, Tata Motors, L&T touched a 52-week high. There was a UBS upgrade, but despite that, the counters going home with a slight cut. Maruti, cement, hospitals, banks, I mean across the board, the selling was there for everyone to see. So Tamanna, broad-based selling, FMCG, IT, metals led the way down. The only sector that went home with slight gains was really real estate today.